All right, y'all, so welcome back to the channel. And as you can see, I have my radiator guard here with me. I'm ready to get this thing installed. Super quick video. I'm not gonna, really go into huge detail about this. This is a super simple install. So let's go ahead and hop into it. All right, y'all, so the best way to do this is to take off your front bumper. I have a tip video for this, so if you don't know how to, take a look at that video and you can easily remove your front bumper. So I did, I brought it on to the inside of the house, and with my guard, I'm just gonna match it up kind of with the lines. And so I'm just gonna really place it in there. That's kind of what it's gonna look like. And then I'm gonna zip tie it. All right, so before finishing that part, I wanna briefly show y'all this. This is the radiator. Look at all the bugs. So we're gonna get that cleaned. And again, in order to take off the front bumper, you're gonna have 2 screws. They are underneath the bike, one here and one here. These are torque 30. Unscrew and pull off. All right, so radiator is clean. And y'all, the biggest reason why y'all want one of these radiator protectors is to keep all this bug and dirt off of your radiator. And as you can see, rocks bend your fins. So I have about 5 zip ties, and I'm going to pretty much, I think I'm going to use 4 of them. I might just use all 5. I'll put them in the corner, 1, 2, 3, 4, and maybe 1 somewhere in the middle, maybe 5. So anyway, that's what I'm gonna do. Hang with me for just a second so I can get those on. I'm working with one hand and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. All right, y'all. So I have them zip tied. I have not tightened down on it yet. I just wanted to make sure, where's that other one? I just wanted to make sure that I have it kind of where I want it. And then once I have everything secured the way, I have everything the way that I want it, I'm gonna go ahead and secure it and then clip off the ends. I'm really liking how this is looking so far. So stick with me. I'm about to secure it, clip off the ends, and then show you the finished product. All righty. So there's your finished look. It looks great. You can barely see the zip ties. This black mesh is really, really nice. Really liking it. And it's in there, it's secured. So I'm really enjoying that. I'm ready to put this on the bike, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like on the bike. So here is the finished product. It looks great on the bike. Really enjoying it. So I'm really glad I got this. Definitely an essential piece. So you guys might see this on another list, but this is definitely an essential piece because your radiator is so exposed. So really liking it, really enjoying it. If you guys needed more detail, a more detailed video, let me know. If you want any information, comment below. Whatever it is you need, just let me know and I can provide. So anyway, y'all, that's gonna be it for this video, and I'm gonna see you on the next one.